h of x equals to x cube positive ax square positive bx positive c. The function h is defined above, where a, b, and c are integer constants. If the zeros of the function are negative 5, 6, and 7, what is the value of c? So we have to find the value of the constant c in the given function. And the question says these c numbers are zeros of the given function. That is, the graph of the given function as x-intercepts are these three values. So the first x-intercept is negative 5, 0, and the second x-intercept is 6, 0, and the third x-intercept is 7, 0. And usually when we have the function like h of x over here, this h of x gives a value of y. So we can replace this h of x by y. Then the given function will become y equals to x to the third power positive ax square positive bx positive c. Further, we can solve this problem using Desmos. Okay, in Desmos, first we have to take these 3 points as input. So click on the positive sign over here, go to the table. So the first point is negative 5, 0, and the second point is 6, 0, and the third point is 7, 0. Okay, now we have to take this equation as input. And here my aim is not to grab this equation. My aim is to find the value of the unknown constant c. In that case, when I take this equation as input in Desmos, instead of x, I have to take x1. Instead of y, I have to take y1. And for equal sign, I have to use tilde sign. Because here we have x1 for x-coordinate and y1 for y-coordinate. Okay, now let me take this equation as input in Desmos. That is y1, then we have to take tilde sign. Then x1 cube, x1, it has to be raised to the power of 3. Then positive a times x1 squared positive b times x1 negative c. Here I got the values of a, b, and c. And the information says all the 3 constants a, b, and c are integer constants. Here the values we got over here for a, b, and c are all of them are integers. Our aim is to find the value of c. So here the value of c is negative 210.